We just finished filming season 3 here. As you can see, this one is actually still steaming. That's how fresh we hear it. Is it a good idea to microwave this? Or how did we end up with this? Or that? Or whatever that is? And why the everlasting gobstopper? Looks like the inside of a smoker's lung.
So let's take a look back, shall we?
Let's take a look back and have fun. Let's see what we've created. This is what we have in store for you for season 3. Everything here will be microwaved. Our Sharp Carousel microwave. She's named Sandra. I've named her Helga.
Where's my mask? I'm gonna die.
I don't know how long I should put it in there for. Is it a good idea to microwave this? Let's find out. Did that soap just get bigger?
Yeah, holy crap.
If you ever see this, you turn and you run. Can you guys say nobody likes roasted nuts?
Where's your gun now, Furby?
The masks! They do nothing! Safety is our number one concern.
Really? It's sparking, there's flames, it's glowing like
Jeez.
Tesla's death coil, but it's not exploding yet.
So go and do it.
Don't give out a suggestion.
That gets me every time. Let's microwave.
Happy birthday, Jesus, we're doing this for you.
You may be asking, why didn't I choose Country Rain? Because it's Country Rain. Helga is one badass woman. Big old lady. A big old lady. Big old lady. So much lady. Wow. I think Sandra was just a bitch. It didn't even tell us what time it was. Fucking bitch. Shut your mouth, Michael Jackson.
Your double D breasts won't save you now.
She got that bubble butt. Oh. We're doing it right now. No one can save you now. And I'm gonna have a hell of a time cleaning this microwave.
Steaming pile of white goo.
I don't care about the people at home.
Where are the ping pong balls?
It circulates air like a blizzard. You just hit me in the face.
Make a taco shell. Oh man.
Cover it with a little bit of the special sauce.
Tabasco
am I right?
sauce.
Now it's like I'm chopping her up to get rid of the bottom. That means it's poisonous. So let's microwave it.
Oh.
So tasty, so tasty.
What do you do with the left hand?
Oh yeah, the shaving cream is doing a whole lot right now. It's like Aurora Borealis is happening inside of our microwave. It smells pretty bad in here. That's why we have this tinfoil shield, which is falling apart. It's about protecting our nuts.
That's right.
Now, I'm just reaching in there with pretty much my bare hands. Safety is our number one concern. It's at least in the top 5.
Oh! I think you just created a new sealant compound. Wow! The fan's working. Look at that. Does it still work?
You're dumb.
That's probably not good for you.
If it takes 6 minutes to do something, it's not worth seeing. That's pretty much what I sound like after a bean burrito. That's hot.
Oh my god!
I really don't like it when Helga has skid marks. They have natural curls. This is bad. How bad? Flame.
Holy Oh!
Let's see if Helga can recharge it.
Title sequence. No. There it is, yes. 14 seconds left. You fucking wrecked her.
Quarters of the time.
Whoa! Oh! This is just whoa! There we go. Oh! Dude, you are maxing it to her right now.
What? That's by far the longest time we've ever done for any experiment.
Oh boy. Whoa! Holy crap! Whoa! What happened? Yes.
So, that's it. I hope it was as fun for you guys to watch as it was for us to nuke. Because it was fun. It was fun. That's it, and I hope to see you guys for season 4.